Hey guys, so a lot of people have been facing this issue where their Schedule 1 is crashing when starting a new game. It's very easy to fix. So what I had done, so let's say this was Schedule 1, right? You just right click on this game, you click on properties, and all you need to do is come to install files, and you need to first verify your integrity of the game files. Well, let me explain to you why you need to actually do this, because if your game files are not correctly installed, there are some missing files, then they cannot verify that you actually on the game. That is what causes issues. Another thing that causes issues, guys, is your launch options. If you come here to general, and here in the launch options, guys, you need to set it to, try DX. Okay, put a dash. Okay, D3, D11. Okay, and then you can close this and launch your game, or I suggest trying a DX11 or a DX12. Okay, and then go ahead and launch your game. Now, if these do not work still, it's the issue with your graphics driver, right? That's usually the case. So what you do, guys, on your Windows start icon here, right click, click on a device manager. Now here, what we'll do, we'll expand display adapters, and we'll locate our graphics driver, and we're going to update it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. That is usually what causes issues. So here we go. We have our device manager that pops up. And on here, we'll see our device drivers, right? So you come here and click on this, display adapters. You'll get your graphics card, right click, click on update driver. And here I want you to search automatically for drivers. If there are, go ahead and update it. I have completely updated it. And if you have updated, it will show like this. They are already installed. And if so, just go ahead and launch your game and it should work. Okay, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.